Hi, my name is David Susilo. I'm a THX ISF and CDS certified AV consultant, designer, calibrator for the past 2.5 decades. You can hire me by contacting me at info@davidsusilo.com, or at the very least, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification button so every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And now, onto the video. Introducing SofaBaton X2 Universal Remote Control. It is the successor of SofaBaton X1S, and as soon as I open the box, I can see the improvements already. First, the remote is in silver color, so you don't have to hunt for it while you're watching movies in your home theater. Second improvement, the remote now comes with a charging cradle. This way you only need to plop your remote control to the cradle and you don't have to fiddle around with USB-C cable.
Susilo, Unscripted, pure technical vision.
And how to program the remote? Very easy. Just download the SofaBaton app to your phone. Open the app, choose X series, choose to set up new hub, plug in the hub unit, and in several minutes, the hub will be recognized by the SofaBaton app and you're ready to go. There's no actual instructions manual, but hey, you don't need one. Just follow the step-by-step instructions and you'll be there. Now, the first thing you have to do is update the firmware. Just like earbuds, like headphone, like anything. Once you just receive something, you update the firmware. Only then you start programming your remote control. Just add your make and model number to the remote and it will automatically populate the remote from the server. Even something as obscure as Cloud Escape, they're available. Their equipment database have improved quite dramatically compared to the time when I used to program the X1S. This makes programming a lot easier than before. Impressive. Another impressive thing is the remote itself. The annoying scroll ball is now gone. The display now is in full color. The 4 color buttons, they are now in one horizontal line, following the usual Blu-ray setup. Using it in a real-life, real-setting home theater use is a lot better now. It is more intuitive than before, and it is also more intuitive than any other universal remote control at approximately the same price range. So, do I recommend this remote? Yeah, especially if you're using X1S or X1 right now. Highly recommend it for you to upgrade your remote to the X2. How is it compared to Logitech Harmony Ultimate? Well, first and foremost, you cannot get Logitech Harmony Ultimate Remote anymore. It's been discontinued for about 7 years. Or even if you can get new old stock, the price will feel like somebody being punched in the face. So yeah, get the SofaBaton X2 instead. Or if you need something that's more sophisticated, get the Control 4 remote. And because you're still here, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel and put your thoughts in the comments down below.